Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Slack conversation. First, open your Slack app or go to slack.com and log into your workspace. On the top left of the screen, click your workspace name. From the drop-down menu, hover over Tools and Settings and click on Workspace Settings. You'll be redirected to a new page. On the top right corner, click Import or Export Data. Click Export, select the date range you want, then click Start Export. Slack will generate and export all your data, including messages and file links from public channels. And that's it. That's how to export Slack conversation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.